What are the equivalent PC keyboard keys and mouse buttons of the Xbox 360 game controller buttons shown on the screen? The PC port of Dark Souls shows Xbox 360 game controller buttons on its in-game messages and the UI. However, I'm playing with a mouse and a keyboard. This makes learning the controls a bit awkward. What are the equivalent default PC keyboard keys and mouse buttons of the Xbox 360 game controller buttons shown on the screen? Question from user galacticninja at gaming@Stack Exchange. Answer: PC, Xbox 360. W, A, S, D. Forward, back, left, right. I, J, K, L. Camera controls second analog stick. C, X, V, B. D-pad. Page up, page down. Air bay, pound. Insert, delete. X, Y menu stats pages, etc. End. Q, A, E, B lock on. O gesture menu. G controls your rolling, dashing, diving, etc. Space. Toggle 1H to H grip. Alt. Right weapon attack, heavy. U, LMB. Right weapon attack, light. H, RMB. Left weapon action block. Shift. Left weapon action parry. Tab. Confirm. Enter. Cancel. Backspace. Note: if the Xbox 360 controller button is not listed above, it is not known what the equivalent button is. Please consider suggesting an edit to this answer, or commenting about it, if you know them. Source S. I've got Dark Souls. The keyboard controls are really not intuitive, but all of the above are what you get. The in-game hints system is pretty much useless as it lists the keys for the 360 controller. For example, when telling you to do a critical attack it was listed as when falling, press air bay. Menus didn't say what that was. But it's easy to work out when you start playing. My advice is, get a controller. The game is very fun and playable with the keyboard and mouse, but you will probably start to hate life, especially with the lock-on if you're using a mouse, since it is highly sensitive and just pressing one of the attack buttons can switch targets so your attack misses and you die. Answer from user J Roden at gaming@Stack Exchange.